Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your WordPress error logs on DreamHost. So first of all, you want to open up your Manage Websites button, and here you want to go ahead and click on Manage, and you will see Manage Files. So you want to click right there, Manage, and here you will open up this DreamHost File Manager, where you want to go ahead and open up your website's folder, then scroll down until you see VP config, and now you want to go ahead and edit it. From here, you will see lots of options here, and what you want to find is this paragraph, where after that you want to go ahead and find this line that's all, stop editing, happy blogging, and right there we're gonna put our code. So what you need to do is enter this enable VP debug mode, and it will enable your debug mode if it says true. Make sure it says true. I'm going to leave all of these codes in the description below. And now you need to add this line. This will enable debug error logins. And now you want to add this disable display of errors and warnings, which is define debug display false. So after you added all of these, so now let's save it and close it. Now, if you will enter any errors, you will see them at the top on your website. And now what you want to do is again go to the file manager right there and find that debug log file, which is, so you want to go ahead to your public HTML or your website and go to VP content. And from here, you should find your file of debug. Now, if you will have those errors, you will see a debug.log file right there, and you can view all of the errors from there. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.